Citizen science is very important to all of us here in Southwest Florida, especially nonprofits, and it's the involvement of volunteers in science. It's very basic and it's been around for a very, very long time. Citizen scientists usually get involved to volunteer for an organization, and then the more that they get involved, they decide that through their particular interest that they can step up to the next plate. They can easily see some of the voids and the gaps that we may have in a nonprofit or with different agencies that we work with. And many are retired and they have the time to be able to invest and ultimately be able to give us data that's very, very beneficial. The problems that we would have is to make sure that we have enough of the resources to make sure that they're trained. And we want to make sure that the data that they're providing for us is useful information. Some of the things that the scientists do here, our citizen scientists, one of them will maintain his wildlife cameras. He has over 6 cameras installed. He monitors them weekly. He keeps them up throughout the year in various locations without crew. And one of the most fascinating captures that he's recently gotten on camera has been some of the Florida panthers. And what makes this even more special is that these are uncollared panthers. One of our citizen scientists every week will collect data at one of our most visited trailheads at Bird Rookery Swamp. Oftentimes he hikes 7 to 8 miles to be able to do a species count, and he will count all the birds, he'll count the mammals, the reptiles, amphibians, butterflies, and dragonflies. He also will collect water level data for us. So that information is used for the land managers, but that same information is then shared with the public. So when you come to one of the trailheads on the kiosk, you will see Dick's weekly species count. We call it a critter count, and people will know what is visible to see out there. Some of the most common attributes that our citizen scientists all have would definitely be curiosity. And they want to help, so their level of commitment and their level of dedication. Those 3 are absolutely the most important. The questions, how can I help? That's where the curiosity comes in. Dedication and commitment, those are the folks that are with us week after week, year after year. So if you're interested in becoming a citizen scientist, for example, you may only be here a part of the year, but you want to be able to get involved at that level of total dedication and total commitment. Go online and check things out wherever you are.
Visit the Charlotte Harbor National Estuary Program website